Hello everyone, my name is Skanda Shetty from first year EC branch and my topic is about safety car. Introduction. The main object of this project is to reduce the occurrence of car accident and its consequence. Our advanced system will ensure the safety of the passenger and detects impending collision and alerts the driver. The project aims at warning the passengers to fasten the seat belts, detecting the obstacles in front of the car, and opening the airbags when collision occur with heavy obstacles, giving an alert when the speed is very high. The whole system will control through an Android interface. As you know that day by day the number of vehicles as well as road accidents are increasing. These systems make the car protected by preventing the chance of major accidents. Seat belts are the best defense against passenger and drivers. So, if anyone missed to wear seat belts, our system will alert him or her and compel to buckle up. Forward collision warning is also a part of this system and gives you an alert if something in the road ahead from the stopped vehicle to pedestrian, cyclist and animal. Automatic emergency braking can activate the brake if you ignore the forward collision alert, which will be very effective to save us from accident. Most of fatal accidents occur due to overspeeding. So if the car reaches high speed than 100 km per hour, then our system will provide an alert. But by any chance, when there is a moderate to severe crash, then our airbag will protect us. Airbag reduces the chance that your upper body or head will strike the vehicle interior during crash. In this event of collision, the vehicle will conduct an automatic crash notification call. This is how you will make your journey secure by this system. Required component for this project is Arduino Mega, SMIM 900A GCM model, NEO 6M GPC model, ADX L335 accelerometry sensor, dotted wearboard, connecting wires, 8-volt battery, H711AD weight sensor, Bluetooth model, buzzer, DC motor and ultrasonic sensor. And working. Passenger and driver often forget to fasten their seat belts or they do not tie seat belts because of ignorance. Our HX711AD weight sensor will detect a person in the seat belts and alert him to fasten the seat belts. ADXLL3 accelerometry sensor will ensure the car is moving in state. Many drivers stay busy with phone or other work and they do not notice certain obstacles. Our ultrasonic sensor will detect sudden obstacles and alarm the driver through buzzer. Our ADXL335 accelerometry sensor will detect overspeeding and alarm the driver. Our NEO 6M GPC model will detect the current coordinate of car and IM900A GCM model send it to emergency contact during critical situation. And conclusion. In this Arduino based project will implement car safety system. Our system will reduce the occurrence of car accidents and its consequence. Road accidents are increasing day by day in recent times. Our advanced system will ensure the safety of the passenger. Our user can make this journey safe and secure by using this system. Thank you.